Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see how to maintain a LKG English writing notebook. So let's get started. These are the writing activities which I have started from the first week of July itself, and the date is from 5th of July. So initially I introduce all the patterns or strokes that are required to form A to Z in capital. So here I have given standing line. Why I have introduced standing line again in LKG is now the child is being introduced to a 4-line book which is very new for the child. In nursery, the child will write only in a 1-inch square book or a big square notebook. So here the child is learning to control his writing so that his hands, shoulder and fingers are very much developed and we get the refinement writing. So these are the standing line. For 1 week I practice one stroke so that the child masters writing standing line or other strokes in a 4-line notebook, which is very important so that you can achieve the neatness from day one itself. The line control of writing in 4 lines. This is again standing line and again standing line with dots, then without dots, then sleeping line. This is for the second week of July. Sleeping line, then third week I introduced slanting lines. Right slanting line, and the child is practicing right slanting line. This is the 4th week. So once the child has mastered, I'll introduce the child left slanting line. Then in the max note, that is the 1/2-inch square or the smaller square note, I have introduced numbers. So this was on the 1st of July. The child has learned to write number 1 in a small square book. Previously in nursery class, the child used to write in a bigger square notebook. So that time the size was big. Now the child is writing in a small inch square, so I have kept the dots so that the child will write neatly in each square. And I also insist that the child should not come out of the lines like this. When the child makes a mistake, I usually ask the child to erase and write then and there itself so that the neatness is maintained, which is very important. So this is 2, 3, 4. This is today's work. The child knows to write numbers from 1 to 10. That was achieved in nursery. Now the only thing is the child must learn to write in these smaller square notebooks. That is why I am practicing like this. So up to number 10 I will give the same activity for each number so that the child masters writing in a smaller square note. Once the child achieves this, I will move on with numbers from 1 to 10 in series, then 11 to 20 like that. So this is how you can maintain a notebook for LKG class kids, both English and numbers. I hope this video was useful for all homeschooling moms. Thank you for watching.